All right, so let's look at ETH. Everyone knows that the last couple of days have been pretty rough if you were holding. If you weren't holding, you had money on the sidelines, then today is a great day. But let's figure out if it's actually, is it going to keep going down? Is it going to go up? All right, let's look at it. So this orange line right here, you have, I'm going to say that's going to be a strong support line because it broke out right here, confirmed off of that line. And you know it's a breakout because it's been rising up, and it over here, it's this line, or at this point it was a previous resistance. And as you can see, as it's approaching, the price action kind of gets smaller and smaller, and then as it breaks through, it shoots way up. Well, as we know, anything that shoots way up is going to correct, right? I mean, it's going to go up, and then it's going to sell off, and then it's going to consolidate, and it's going to figure out, you know, is this line of support now? Because any line from resistance turns to support, or, you know, vice versa. But now that it's touched it and it didn't break through, it is a confirmed breakout. Okay, so it went up above, came back down and bounced off, and then now it is confirmed breakout. And look at that, boom, boom, boom. It came back down again and touched it right there and that's a double confirmation, which, you know, once that happens, you know it's about to take off. It's also above the EMA ribbon, which is a good sign. And then boom, 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 you know, it went up and it above the EMA ribbon, came back down to confirm that it's a bullish trend. And then people pumped it, and then pumped it up to here to, you know, which would be the distribution level on a Wyckoff method pattern, which I will get into in a different video. But you know, people are thinking, oh man, it's going to go to the moon, it's going to go to 10,000 today, you know, and a bunch of people bought up around in here. As you can tell by the volume, you know, right here, it's high compared to, this is probably like the average volume, if I could get it to work, you know, it'd probably be right around in there somewhere. And so you can see this volume up here for when it's up here is high. Well, they got trapped and it dumped because you want to, you know, this is a good level until it breaks out again. So it touched off of this level here, that one, you know, that resistance, that's a strong support line. It broke through, but, you know, look how fast it got bought up. So, well, this is about a 50%. It's a little, maybe it might be the 61.8. From here to here, back down to here is about 61%. You know what I mean? And then, well, let's look at the MACD. This is where it gets kind of, you know, because this down here is the moving average convergence divergence, right? And so this blue line, basically what you need to know is whatever side it's on of the red line, if it's above the red line, it's in a bullish trend, right? And if you can see, you go straight up, you can see it's bullish trend. Well, it crossed that red line and it went below that red line, so it's a bearish trend. But if you look down here, you know, that's extremely, to me, overbought, because it's never been that low on any time ever, you know. I mean, even look at the green, it's never been to 200 ever. So I think there's huge manipulation going on right now. It's forcing a lot of leveraged sellers that, you know, maybe are sleeping over the weekend, haven't had a chance to look at their portfolios, and they got liquidated. It's rough, but it's what the bulls or the whales do. But yeah, I couldn't say right now. Let's look at the 1 hour, see what we get. Minus 70. Yeah, see, that was that. Yeah, I don't think that's real. I don't think if ETH goes to minus $70, sorry everyone. Okay, so we got there might be we might see another dip. We might see a dip back down to like 1800 before it goes again. I don't know. This market's rough. It's rough, bruh. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you're learning stuff. Good luck out there and stay strong.